Hi, I'm Dylan from Gainesville, Florida. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Cadillac XT4, then you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by the law. Now let's show you how we completed this install. You will need to provide the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. So to begin this install, we'll remove the fascia cover first. Turn the wing nuts counterclockwise 90 degrees. It's time to install the wiring harness. The connector for it is located here. Reach in and remove the electrical adapter's cap. Once the cap is removed, you can now take your electrical connector and insert it to the other end. Now we're going to install our 4-flat wiring bracket. This is not included in the kit, but you can pick this up at your nearest local U-Haul center or order it in the description below. Install the bracket using the provided hardware using a 3/8 wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. Place the retention strap on the 4-flat, wiggle the 4-flat into the bracket, and then place the cover on. Now secure the loose wiring with zip ties. That concludes trailer wiring on your Cadillac XT4. Thanks for watching. Make sure to practice safe trailering, and I'll see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an install with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.